get right to it. So this is a sour beer. I tried to make quickly, but I kind of botched it. If you guys haven't seen the brew day video, I'll post it below. It was just 2-row, not hopped. Added lactobacillus. I had a little bit left from in previous batch I did. Wasn't enough, I don't think. I also don't think I got it hot enough because this thing just didn't sour. It was still at 3.8 on the pH after like 6 days. It didn't taste very sour at all. I don't know. I kept it at 100 degrees, although there was a couple days early on where it was probably closer to 90 or 85 because where I had the probe was in the wrong spot and it just didn't get quite hot enough. But then I ramped it up, got it right, and so I had another 3 or 4 days to try and sour. It just never happened. The grains were also smoked, a third of the grist. This was inspired by a Mezcal drink, and I want to add pineapple to it as well because Mezcal pineapple is a great combination I found. I love it. And then I just said, screw it. I added the pineapple because fruit can sometimes lower pH. Added the fruit to it and let it re-ferment if it need to be. In that bottling, I decided as like it tasted again, took another pH reading, and it was still at 3.8, I think 3.7. So I just added lactic acid. I think I got it to like 3.5 for the lowest, but I hate to do that. I hate to cheat that way, but it just wasn't souring. So I just didn't execute that very well at all. And the pineapple, by the way, was fresh. I just cut that open right that day. It's half a pineapple. I think it's half a pound, I think, total. And it's had about half a gallon left, all said and done. I also didn't plan that very well at all, either. So let's get to it. He's a little more carbonation, I think. It's not bad, though. It's a hair on the flat side. I did rebottle with some yeast, but maybe it needs a little more time. But, no, it's not bad. At first I was like, oh no, there's phenols in it. But it's the smoke coming through. And I get the pineapple too. It's actually a really nice amount of pineapple. At least I got it right so far. Let's give it a taste. It's really good. I mean, I'm getting the smoke. I mean, the pineapple is a really good amount. It's really there. But it's not overpowering. It could be a hair more sour for what I like, but it's not far off. I thought it'd be a little bit less, to be honest. Though I will say, after tasting it a couple times, it's probably closer to like a fruited beer, a smoked fruited beer, than a sour beer. Definitely more in between, I guess you could say. The smoke is cool in it, but in a beer, for some reason, it doesn't work quite as well with the pineapple. It's still nice. It's still very nice. But I think like Mezcal is very, very smoky. So I think maybe I had the smoke, really let that shine. And then the pineapple, the amount in there is perfect. That could be a good combo. Also souring it more. This is just not sour enough. So this change is obviously got to sour it. There's the first quick sour I've done in ever that I can think of where I failed to sour it early on. I tried yogurt, probiotics, regular pitches, 2-row, using a handful of 2-row. And 2-row is actually the best results I've ever got on multiple occasions. So next time I'll just pitch a little more lactobacillus. Make sure that the heating element is set right and actually stays at 100 or in that range. And yeah, because this should have soured in 2 days. I don't know what souring I had. I don't know if it was a brevis. I actually don't remember what the original strain was I had. I also like the fact they sort of pureed the pineapple. Like I heated it up, stirred it in a pot, and got it really mushy, kind of ground it up in a blender. So I think brewing it that way was one of the better ways I've done it. It really got in there. It didn't get exposed to too much oxygen sitting in the secondary for a couple days. Well, it was like almost a full week. So get out there, keep brewing, try something like this, especially if you love cocktails like I do, and keep getting weird. Just keep doing it. That was a weird ending. I don't know.